Here we are opening a package we've waited a long time for. So packing is really good. We'll give you that. Let's see what this looks like. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is great. This is for a real firefighter.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, got to put the prop on it still, but
Cool.
that's how it came out.
Very nice.
Yeah. Oh, look at there.
Very nice.
My name is on the cockpit.
Oh, nice.
Colorado DFPC is
Oh, okay.
firefighting.
Cool.
Yeah.
Where does it say it?
Under the window.
Oh,
Do you see it?
cool. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Nice.
Tail.
Nice.
Yeah. Oh, that's sweet.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Look at that stamp.
Nice. Cool. Very nice.